Hello everyone, in this video I will be discussing an example. So the question is determine the voltage across the diode and the current through the network. Now this is the network, so we need to determine the voltage across this diode and the current through the network, right? So now first we need to determine whether the diode is in on state or off state. Then only we can find the current through the network. Now let's see the steps to be followed to find the state of the diode. Now I will be reading these. So I will explain these in detail. First I will be reading. Replace the diode with a resistor mentally, need not to do in a paper, in your mind, and see the direction of current established. If it matches with the arrow of the diode, then the diode is in on state, else the diode is in off state. This means mentally we need to replace the diode with a resistor and see the direction of the current established. If the current established direction is in the direction of the diode, in the direction of arrow, then we can say the diode is on. And if the direction of current matches, we will replace the diode with a 0.7 volt drop for the silicon and by an open circuit if it is does not matches, and 0.3 for the silicon, 0.3 for the germanium and 0.7 for the silicon. Okay, let's see what I have said. So this is our network. So we need to mentally replace this by a resistor. So the current will be established in this direction. So this matches with the arrow of the diode. Hence we can replace it by a 0.7 volt drop like this. Right, now we can apply the KVL. Let's see. Applying the KVL in the network. 8 volt minus 0.7 volt drop across the diode minus 2.2 kilo ohm into ID. So ID is equal to 7.3 volt divided by 2.2 kilo ohm, which is equal to 3.2 milliampere. So the current through the diode is same as the current through the resistor. Now this is the simulation result from the multisim live. Now that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. The example explained. Stay tuned for the more examples. I will be uploading each example in the 2 days. So I will increase the speed of my upload. So stay tuned. That's it.